Hello everyone. Welcome to the summer camp of Delhi Public School Gwalior. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Today, I, Sakshi Saxena from Maths Department, will take you to the world of numbers. So now, let's begin with it. We will learn about the various calculation tricks of Vedic maths, under which we will learn how we can do multiplication of two-digit numbers in just few seconds. So now, let's begin with the vertically and cross wire method of Vedic maths. So let's begin with example 1. Here we have to multiply 22 and 31 by using vertically and cross wire method. For step 1, we will be writing 22 and 31 in such a way that 31 comes just below the 22. Here, for step 1, we will multiply the numbers on the left hand side or the numbers on the tens place. What are the numbers on the tens place here? 2 and 3. So we will multiply 2 and 3. You will get an answer 6. In step 2, we will again write the numbers in the same manner the way we have written in step 1. We will write 31 just below the 22. And here we will do the cross multiplication. So what we will do in cross multiplication? We will multiply 3 with 2 and 2 with 1 and we will add both the results. So how we have done here? 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1, which will give us an answer 6 plus 2 as 8. For step 3, again we will write the numbers in the same form. We will write 31 just below the 22. And now for step 3, we will be multiplying the numbers on the right hand side. Or we can say the numbers on the ones place. So what are the numbers on the ones place? 2 and 1. So when you multiply 2 and 1, you will get an answer as 2. So you will just write the answer as 682. So the answer is 682. We have summarized it in some steps. How you can do in few steps. First part, you will be multiplying the numbers on the left hand side of a two-digit number. So what are the numbers on the left hand side or what are the numbers on the tens place? It is 2 and 3. So you will multiply 2 and 3 and you will get an answer as 6. And what we have written in the bracket, that we will be multiplying the left side. So now for a time being, we'll skip the middle part and we'll solve the last part first. So for last part, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply the numbers on the right side of a two-digit number. Or we can just say that we are multiplying the numbers on the ones place. So what you will get? 2 into 1 gives us answer 2. For middle part, what you will be doing now? You will be multiplying the outermost numbers. What are the outermost number? 2 and 1. So you'll write 2 into 1. And then you are adding it with the product of the innermost number. What are the innermost number? 2 and 3. So what you will get? 2 into 3. Now you add both the products. What you will get? 2 plus 6 equal to 8. So what we have written in the bracket, that we have cross multiplied both the sides. So how we will write the answer? So the answer, we will write the first part first, then the middle part, then the last part. So what is the first part here? 6. Middle part is 8 and the last part is 2. So therefore the answer of The product of 22 and 31 is 682. Now let us solve another example using the same method, vertically and cross wire method. Here we have to multiply 68 and 35. So we already know how to solve it. We will first write for step 1. We will write 68 and 35 in such a manner that 35 comes below the 68. And what are we supposed to now do now? We will solve the numbers on the left side, or we can say the numbers on the tens plates. So what are the numbers on the tens plates? We have 6 and 3. So when you multiply 6 and 3, you will get an answer 18. For step 2, what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplications. How we will do? We will cross multiply 3 with 8 and 6 with 5. So what you get? 6 into 5 plus 8 into 3. What you get as a product? 30 plus 24. You'll get the result as 54. For step 3, you will be multiplying the numbers on the right side. That is the numbers on the ones place. So what are the numbers on the ones place? We have 8 and 5. So when you multiply 8 and 5, you will get an answer as 40. So what is the difference between example 1 and example 2? In example 1, for each step, the result was a single digit number. But here now the result in each step is a 2-digit number. So we will not be just writing 18, 54 and 40. No, you will not write in this manner. What you will be doing, first we will see for step 2 and step 3. What you get an answer? 54 and 40. So what you will do here, you will write 0 as it is and you will add 4 and 4. What you get? 4 plus 4, you will get 8. So in the next step, you will write 18 as it is, 5 as it is, 4 plus 4 is 8, you got an answer 8 and 0. Now you will not touch 8 and 0. Now what you will do? Now you will see step 1 and step 2. For step 1, you will take the numbers, the number 8, and from step 2, you will take the number 5. And you will add these two numbers, 8 and 5, you will get 13. Again, you have not got the result as a single digit number. You have the number as a 2-digit number. So what you will do? You will be now adding this 1 carry to the step 1. What you have that number? You have number 1 here. So you will add 1 plus 1 as 2. So what you got as an answer? You have written 0 as it is, 8 as it is. From 13 you have taken the 3 here. And you have added this number to the number which is on the left side, or the number which is the remaining one. You will add 1 plus 1 is 2. So how you will summarize it? We will write how you write the answers. First part, middle part, last part. So first part, what I have asked you to do? Earlier what we have done, that we have multiplied the numbers on the left side, or the numbers on the 10th place. What are the numbers on the 10th place? 6 and 3. So you multiply 6 and 3, you will get 18 as an answer. For middle part, what we have done? We have done the cross multiplication, or you can say that we have multiplied the outermost number and we have added the result with the product of the innermost number. What are the innermost number? 8 and 3. So you are getting 6 into 5 plus 8 into 3. You will get 30 plus 24. The answer is 54. For last part, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply the numbers on the right side, or the numbers on the ones place. What are these numbers? 8 and 5. You get an answer as 40. So you have written 18 as first part, 54 as middle part, and the last part as 40. But here all the numbers are the 2-digit number. So we can take only the 1-digit number. So what you will do, you will write 0 as it is, and you can see the numbers that we have shaded with the blue color. We have add these two numbers. We will add these two numbers. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5 is 30. So 13, we have 3 we will take here, and we will carry over the power 1, and we will add to the left side of the digit. What is there? 1 is left here. So you'll add 1 of 13. We write 3 here, and we'll add the carry 1 with this number 1, which is left here. So you'll write 2380. Therefore, 68 and 35. When you multiply these two numbers, you will get the answer as 2380.